Part of being a musician and a producer is having great tools and instruments. Don't get us wrong, beautiful music can be made with a couple of sticks and an old bucket, but to be the best you have to play and create the best. This is especially true if you're in music production. Music producers need to utilize the best laptops they can get their hands on so their machines can keep up with their music. A good, fast, and reliable laptop has become an artist's best friend. From the heavy rendering, mixing, editing, you need a reliable and fast laptop that can support the creative process. When you're choosing a laptop, you'll need to find one with good processor and plenty of RAM. These laptops will allow you to tackle multiple tracks. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best laptops for music production to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. Acer Predator Helios 300. Helios 300 is not an ultra-thin laptop, but lighter than regular laptops with gorgeous displays. This beast is an Intel i7 8th Gen laptop with up to 16GB of DDR4 RAM that is more than enough for just about anything. It also has an accessible slot for hard drive or SSD if you need more storage, although it comes bundled with 256GB of SSD storage space, which can get you up and running for just about anything when producing. Helios 300 is claimed to have 7 hours of battery life, which is a marketing claim. It actually lasts for 3 to 4 hours when working with intense programs. If low battery life isn't a problem for you or you don't mind plugging in your system most of the time when producing, we would highly recommend this laptop. Number 4. Dell XPS 159500. Dell XPS comes in various sizes. We recommend going for 15 models because they are much stronger. With 10th Gen Intel Core i7 running at a whopping 5 GHz, it means you can run intensive tasks at a much faster rate. XPS 15 is solidly built with 16GB of memory, which means you have more memory storage and get the content you need quickly when producing music or when tracking multiple recordings in your home studio. Also, if you feel you need more RAM storage, it's extensible. You are also given up to 512GB SSD space for storage and high performance responsiveness to access and run your music production software quickly and efficiently. The battery life on this laptop is great to provide you with long production if you aren't near outlets and or want to produce without charging. Double check your DAW OS requirements before purchasing this. As we said, the majority are cross-platform compatible PC and Mac, but some aren't. These PCs are currently the best in terms of music production. They are easily extensible, better supported, and cost-effective. Number 3. Razer Blade 15. Razer is known for manufacturing gaming hardware and pretty new to the laptop market. The fact they are new make them build stronger PCs from the ground up. There are different models of Razer Blade. We selected the 15 models because they strike the balance of power and portability. Razer Blade 15 is built for performance and powered by an 8th Gen Intel Core i7, which is ready for heavy tasks when producing music, recording, or tracking multiple things at the same time. What we like about this model is the large storage space of 1TB HDD and also enjoys the speed of 112GB SSD, which gives faster and responsive performance. This model is good for you if you would be working with tons of intensive plugins and need a larger storage space. Number 2. ASUS ZenBook 15. ASUS is the best when it comes to excellent customer support, and the ZenBook Pro 15 is available with an 8th Gen Intel Core i7 and up to 4.5 GHz, which is very powerful in handling intensive tasks when producing larger music projects or working with lots of intensive music production plugins. What we like about it is not only the rigid design, but also how powerful it is in terms of battery performance and speed. With up to 16GB RAM, you can work with tons of plugins without any hassle. It also uses a lithium polymer battery and optimized to provide up to 9 hours of battery life for productive tasks. If you want to work in a faster and efficient environment, we recommend getting a laptop with SSD support. ASUS ZenBook Pro 15 comes with 512GB SSD, meaning you have more and robust storage for accessing data faster during music production. If you would be working with tons of intensive plugins, we recommend you go for this. It is designed for gaming, which means it is very powerful and faster in processing, and it would be better investment in the long run for your music production needs. Number 1. MacBook Pro M1. Here comes our top pick. Enjoy the next level of music production with this dynamic laptop. Apple, being the pioneer, still ranks as the best laptop for music production in our video due to its excellent audio production quality. The 2019 edition MacBook was such a hit because of its ease of use and production quality, but the new Apple Silicon laptops received massive praise from mainstream media and Guru Tech reviewers due to their new in-house M1 chips. The M1 chips offer unprecedented boost in performance, speed, and battery life as it combines GPU, CPU, and memory into one chip, significantly decreasing the power usage and improving your computer experience. Apple MacBook Pro still maintains the main chassis built aluminum slab design with minor intriguing tweaks, though hard to differentiate from MacBook Air. It's as smooth as ever, sleek, and retains the modern style with 3 color options available: bright silver finish, moody space gray, and dark. The MacBook measures 0.61 by 12 by 8.4 inches and weighs 3 pounds. MacBook Pro comes with the thin secondary touch bar not present in the previous version. The touch bar offers additional control and replaces the function keys on the keyboard. MacBook Pro has a comfortable touchpad and keyboard after redesigning it recently. It has 2-part switches, a rubber dome beneath the keycap to provide bounce back and springiness feel, scissor mechanism which guides the keycap and prevents wobbly keys. The trackpad is phenomenal because it's oversized with haptic feedback as opposed to the physical clicking structure. Together with the 16-inch MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, they're the only laptops with this unique feature. The MacBook Pro comes with 2 USB Type-C connectors and one 3.5mm headphone jack. The Retina display has remained the same in the latest version, with a higher native resolution between HD and 4K. The display has a 13.3-inch panel that enables the actual tone features and helps colors appear magnificent and text sharp. The webcam has a 720p resolution. The image signal processor in the M1 chip produces exquisite video quality with superb automatic balance and improved noise reduction. Apple released the longest MacBook Pro battery life with this latest version. The battery lasts 16 to 20 hours with straight video playback, web browsing over Wi-Fi, and light music production. For modern producers, the laptop is the centerpiece of any music production studio. You use a laptop to run your DAW where you create, record, mix, and master your tracks. Nothing is more frustrating than getting a perfect take only to find your computer crash during the recording session. There are ways to reduce DAW latency and cut down the demands your software is making on your system, but sometimes a new laptop is what you need to get up and running. Finding the best laptop for music production isn't a task you can take lightly. Your goal should be to purchase a model that offers the performance and functionality necessary to support all the latest software used for music recording. Moreover, the laptop you buy has to be powerful enough to remain viable for several years before getting outdated, so that your investment fully pays off. If you plan to be on the move a lot, you should give preference to lightweight, compact laptops. However, getting the best laptop for music production is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.